All right, today we're going to be showing you how to change windshield wipers on the 2006 RAV4. First step, you gotta take the old ones off. So you need a little screwdriver. There's a little tab. Some are different, but this one has a little tab. Pop it up and it slides off. Leave that up there. You can do the next one. Pop it up, push it off. That's it. Then take your new ones, verify they're the correct size. Take your wipers, basically the same thing. This is the bigger one, so it goes on this side. Wrong side. It just slides up in there and clicks in. You want to take off the little plastic covers. I've done it before where I forgot to take it off. It does not work well. Then you take the other one, open it up, take the little plastic protector things off. Bring it on over to this side. Make sure it snaps in. And that's it.